In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP LaserJet Pro M12a printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed at the description box below. You'll be able to see a link there. The moment you find it, please copy it. So once you have copied it, paste it here at the address bar and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So open any browser. It could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. Okay. So by that, you need to proceed here at the driver product installation software. You can see there HP LaserJet Pro M12 series full software and drivers. Aligning to it, you can see there a download option. Click on that one. And the moment you click on it, you can now start the downloading process. Now, in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once done, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see their download icon. Check if it's being downloaded. Once it is being downloaded, you can see their folder icon. Click on that one. Okay. So here in this new window where you get to see this downloaded file, you need to select it. Please make a right click. Okay. And click on this cut icon. Once you've copied it, please close the windows being opened. And here at the desktop, please make a right click here and click on paste. So once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip it, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So please wait until you'll get that option called WinRAR before we continue. Once it's here, go with it and then go with extract to, and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Okay, so once a new file folder has been created, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. And the moment you have bring up the settings window, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the left side and find for Bluetooth and devices. So click on this one. Once you click on it, directly proceed to the printers and scanners. And there you can see an option called add device. Click on this one and wait until you'll get to see another option where you can manually add a printer. Once it's here, go with add manually. And in a few moments, you will be able to open another window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow and use among of these three USB ports. So it could be one, two, or three. And if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So go with the next button here. Click on Have Disk. Go with Browse. And we need to place there. Go with the desktop. And then you need to scroll down and there you can see the extracted file. Please double tap and then here you need to scroll down again and there you can get to see this three drivers. Select any of this, go with open and click on the OK button here. Once done, you would be able to see this kind of list of printers. Please proceed with M12a. Click on the next here and go with next and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on Next, click on Finish, and fully install the HP LaserJet Pro M12a printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.